I am Dusty Billings Lillian. I was injured when I was 5 years old. A seesaw hit me under the chin and threw me backwards. And it threw me back hard. And the caretaker that I had at the time lifted me up and tossed my head backwards. But, I don't think she did it on purpose, but my head went back and really messed up my neck. So I just kind of had a bad neck all my life. The pain was with me since all my life, all through high school, all through college, all through work, all my jobs, everything. But I always had to take time off. I'd had to leave my offices. I'd leave and I'd go into a church and I'd do meditation. I did a lot of meditation because pain, I was just in pain all the time, all the time. I've had massage, acupuncture, physical therapy. There were plenty of other options that I've tried over many decades, many decades. My first impression of NJ Spine and Orthopedic was just how pristine the office was and how well the office was run. How quickly they took my phone calls. They took care of all of our concerns, all our questions. Dr. Slaughter really explained everything really well. He took a lot of time with us. He was very relaxed, very calm person, which I really appreciate. Because being in pain all the time is very nerve-wracking. So I like to surround myself with calm people. And he's a very calm person. The day I came in for surgery, I just felt taken care of. Comfortable is a biggie. And they replaced discs. So I had two done. Fabulous. It's fabulous. When I woke up from surgery, the first thing I noticed was I didn't feel pain. And I noticed immediately, because I was told I could move pretty soon, and there was no sound. I was so used to crackling and noise. I can move. I can do all sorts of stuff that I couldn't do before. It's amazing. It's really amazing. Since the surgery, which for me was 2 months ago, maybe a little more than 2 months ago, I've gotten rid of my cleaning service. So now I can do vacuuming, which I couldn't do before. I signed up for this bootcamp thing 3 times a week, early in the morning, going and really doing a hard workout for half an hour, really hard workout. And I can do that because of my neck. It was an amazing experience. I loved it. I've been telling everybody about it. Talk to these guys who have it. You don't want to walk around for the next 20 years or so, walking around like this, You want to be able to do stuff, move around, have a good quality of life. There's hope, that you're not just going to sit there in agony all your life. It's really worth it. So it's fun. It's fun to be able to be back in the world. Anyone who knows me knows that my neck has been my nemesis. It's really held me back. As much as I've been able to accomplish in my life, it's held me back a lot. And now, hopefully, those days are over. I'm back.